At Anfield Plain, our paint facility can carry out both wet painting and powder coating. We can process parts in our paint booth and separate curing ovens up to a size of 3 by 3 by 2.5 meters. Using our bespoke hanging system, we can easily hang and move parts up to 800 kilograms each. We carry out painting to a number of customer-specific standards, as well as industry standards such as NORSOC. We regularly mask and carry out finishing operations post-paint, such as basic mechanical assembly. Within our paint hub, we also carry out final inspection and goods out operations. We can offer flexible solutions based on customer requirements and can utilize customer bespoke packaging specifications. If needed, we can help design and manufacture bespoke stillages to utilize transport space and ensure final quality of products are maintained. We can offer kitting solutions and delivery to customer call-off schedules.